What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. In this one we're talking Kindle Paperwhite. We're talking 11th generation Kindle, released in 2021. As you know, I've done a lot of videos on Kindle, specifically how-to videos as well as reviews, and I own a couple of Kindles myself, 10th generation and also much older ones. In this one I'd love to quickly show you the unboxing process as well as maybe a first setup. We're gonna just quickly compare it as well to the 10th generation and see what are the obvious differences between them. Without further ado, let's get started. Nice simple packaging. Nothing special here. We're gonna also quickly compare it as promised to the 10th generation Kindle. So let's go ahead here. What's kind of cool about the 11th generation, so the latest one, is that it comes with a USB Type-C. That's pretty handy because right now the newest standard is USB Type-C. So that's nice. Now the box, pretty simplistic if you ask me. Of course, Kindle Paperwhite logo, Amazon. As always, helpful instructions, so that's nice. So I'm just gonna check the instructions. Nothing special. USB Type-C as promised, and USB. The length is around 1/2 meter. Okay, let's have a look at this. And oh my, this looks sweet. This looks pretty nice. Now what's kind of cool is again the USB Type-C. I'll put it next to each other so you can see kind of the location of power button. The light has shifted, so it is kind of on the left here compared to the middle section, but that's not a biggie. Okay, size-wise, yeah, that's bigger now. Bigger and wider. Also, you can see thinner borders, which I'm really a big fan of. I think Kindle should be trying to minimize them as much as possible, but just keeping the bottom, because if you're reading it landscape, you want to have your thumb and hand to rest on something. But the side borders could be trimmed. Now this is huge improvement right now, so already flash design, so that's sweet. And again, going through the sides, nothing special here. Rounded corners, Amazon logo, very similar, I would say. Let's just let go of that wrap. For a second I thought the screen has a protective foil, but that's not the case. That actually was displayed on the screen. Pretty amazing. I already got surprised here. So yeah, let's just go through a quick setup here, and we're just gonna go with English. So it's very simplistic. We have some accessibility features. We're choosing the region. Let's go with UK for now. Now a couple of details as well to mention maybe very quickly is 300 ppi on the screen, so that's similar to what we've had in the 10th gen. The standard version has 8 GB of RAM, again USB Type-C, 6.8 inches across on the screen, so that's going to be super handy. Again, those thinner borders, flash design, also waterproofing for IPX8, and that means that you can dip it in the water. Not advised, but you can still do that for a minute and the device should be fine. So we have a hello screen set up on Kindle. Let's go with setup on this Kindle. Sweet. Let me quickly set up the Wi-Fi. Also, it's worth mentioning that the screen is very responsive, okay? It works very quick and I really enjoy it. Let's hook it up. And out of the box you have 58% of battery, so that's also very sweet. Ready to go pretty much. And now we're almost set up, so it's asking us for the password. So this is actually pretty handy. When you purchase Kindle through amazon.com or .co.uk, you actually can have the option to set up your account already. So this makes the whole process very easy, and now I just need to confirm it by entering my password. Since I have two-step verification, I need to add that right now. Okay, for a second it showed that it's not connected, but now it seems to hook up my Amazon account just fine. So let's go to the next step. It's asking me to basically add the Kindle app, but we're gonna go no thanks. And now we have amazing offer here. So we have this 3 months deal for Kindle Unlimited. What does it mean? Basically unlimited reading, so you have thousands and thousands of books, you have magazine subscriptions, you can also get audiobooks, which brings me to another feature of the Kindle, which is Bluetooth. So you can hook up your Bluetooth wireless headphones and you can listen to audiobooks through your Kindle. Pretty awesome. So for now, I'm just gonna say no thanks because I already have Kindle Unlimited, and now it's just loading and updating the screen and my latest books. So this is pretty nice. It's super easy, super handy, and again the screen, amazing. It feels really awesome. I like that wider screen, and now when reading in landscape mode, that's gonna be super handy. So let's just go to library and just quickly open one of the books, and we have the book loaded. So let's just open it up. Another kind of cool feature is 20% faster in terms of page swap, so that's pretty handy. Let's go ahead and swap. Next. Wow, this is so much faster, guys. Amazing. Pretty handy. Yeah, the responsiveness of the screen is just amazing. That's it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, please like, and if you really enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification for more videos. I will talk to you in the next one. Cheers!